All right, good day, Mr. Charles. Oga Charles. My name is Action Babajide. So I was scheduled for 8:05 this morning to present my work, my project. All right, but due to the network glitches, So I thank you for the second chance for me to make a recording and send it to you, send the link to you. All right. So the project topic is mode detector. All right, and the idea behind this project is that is to build a system whereby if I log in and I am having a conversation with you from my own hand there, I should be able to capture the mood of the person I'm chatting with, and also I can reciprocate it by viewing myself, showing myself, and be able to predict the mood that I'm currently on. And at least to some extent, this system can predict like more than 90%, which simply means that in as much as the I have the work, or let me say I have the data set of it being stored, I should be able to view the mode that I'm currently in. All right. So it's a lone work, and this is my project description. This is my project description. All right. So I make use of data sets that depict different mode, whether it is sad, happy, surprise, neutral, and so on and so forth like that. So I have seven. Okay, they are even here: angry, disgusted, fearful, happy, neutral, sad, and surprised. So I have seven emotions being stored here. So with the help of these seven emotions, I can predict. It's going to tell me the current mood that I have. So moving to the next one. So it's just ability to train and test different data sets to show mode, blah, 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 and so on and so forth like that. So, and also at the end of the day, it's going to uh, generate a report for me to tell me if I'm in the good mood or not. Actually, this work, the one I'm presenting now, is the back end, just to test train the image, be able to predict it. I can say that is a more of a machine language, all right? Because I use Python programming language, but I will eventually link it with the front end using web, so that it's going to be a complete system whereby people can log in, they can make use of to understand the mode and also to see. So even Zoom, if I'm having conference call or conference meeting, I can easily predict what each and every one of them, the recognition and the feelings, what they are passing through. I can easily recognize that through that. So this is the requirement is the library I use is NumPy, OpenCV, Python, and also TensorFlow. So those are the things that I make use of. All right. So these are the little bit of the work. This is the report I'm talking about, and also these are the images underneath. All right. So now let me go straight to the whole work. So now these are my codes. All right. So for me to display the entire work, I need to instruct the system with this line of code: Python emotion.py mode display. So if I punch my enter key, it's going to run through this, and it will enable my web camera to show my face, and after then it's going to predict different mode. It's going to show the different mode. It's going to show, yeah, as you can see. So it will tell if I'm happy, if I'm surprised, it's going to tell, right? So if I'm like, okay, let me just show a different thing. Maybe because the lightning is not that bright here. So the thing's supposed to capture my whole head, supposed to capture my entire head. So you can see it's trying to Yeah, something like that. So it's supposed to capture the whole head and predict immediately to tell me. So as you can see, it's not really, yeah. So it's not really doing the work the way it's supposed to. Yeah. So yeah, this is the work. This is what I'm talking about. So if I'm angry, if I'm sad, if I'm happy, fearful, neutral, blah blah blah, surprised. So it's going to do it. All right. So if I'm happy, it's supposed to display happy there. So that is just everything about the work. All right. So thank you very much for having me. I'm looking forward to hear some of the questions you have for me, sir. Thank you very much. And I'm very, very grateful. All right, sir.